This question says, if I have two consecutive positive integers, consecutive means in a row, like 3 and 4 are consecutive positive integers, and 5 and 6 are consecutive positive integers. -2 and -3 are not consecutive positive integers. They're consecutive, but they're not positive. Okay, so I know B is bigger than A. That's what it says. B is greater than A. Then it says the value of square root of B minus square root of A is between. Okay, so this is what you need to do. You need to pick two consecutive integers and do a test case and figure out which one of these applies. For example, I'm going to say A is 2 and B is 3. You could pick 9 and 10, 8 and 9. Pick either two you want. I'm just going to pick 2 and 3. Notice A has to be smaller than B. So then it says this, square root of B. So instead of square root of B, I'll write square root of 3. And then I'll subtract square root of 2. And I'll do this on my calculator. I'll put square root of 3 into my calculator. Let's pull it up here. And I'll do square root of 3. And then I'll subtract square root of 2. So you can see here I'm doing square root of 2, subtract square root of 2, and I'll get an answer. And you can use this answer to help figure out where that answer is going to be. Now, let's say I had chosen, like, I don't know, 9 and 10 instead of 2 and 3. Well, in that case, all I would have done, and you'll see I'm going to take square root of 10, and then I'll subtract square root of 9, and then I'll also get an answer. Okay? So just pick two test cases that fit their qualifications here and figure out what answer applies.